I wanted to film one more video right now. It is my Alltrue box. Now I'm going to be perfectly honest with you. I need to check and see which box this was because they honestly take so long to get to me that I can't remember which one we're on. I actually have canceled the box for the coming ones. I'm going to get the rest of the ones I paid for, and then I decided to cancel my subscription. I just haven't been liking the stuff as much. Some of it I like, some of it I don't. It's just, it varies. I think this one is summer. Let me look. Yes, so this is the summer box. So, yeah, they just take a very long time, even once they do the orders. But either way, let's go ahead and get into it. Let's enjoy the rest of the boxes that we do have coming, and I don't know if I'm going to replace it with something else or just go down to just the Fab Fun and Ipsy boxes. We will see. But let's go ahead and see what I got because I don't remember. First thing in here is this here, which is just their little magazine, tells you about products, companies, stuff like that. And then first thing I have in here, it is the Baggu Standard Reusable Bag. Reusable bag for more than just grocery store. Perfect for everyday toting, trips to the gym, and hauling packages. Folds into a flat pouch that you can always bring it with you. Carries comfortably in hand or over shoulder. It says it holds 50 pounds, 100% nylon, 40% recycled, guaranteed for 1 year, ethically made in China, and machine washable. So let's see. So yeah, it comes in this little pouch. So I guess you just fold that over. So it's got a carry pouch, and let's see how big it is. Let's see how useful it would be. Okay, not bad. Sorry. Warning for headphone users, I'm about to shake this out to see how big it is. Okay, that's not bad. It's a pretty good size bag. I do see how this would be helpful for carrying packages or just things like that. So I think it could be helpful. This definitely is something that I would use when I was working out of the house. I work at home now, but it's something that I would have used. I'm sure I can still find a use for it. So that's kind of cool. I don't know how I feel about the feel of the material, but that is that. So that is the first thing in here. Next thing in here I have is the Cosmodex Replenish Intensely Nourishing Hand Treatment. I don't know how well you guys can see, but my hands get super, super dry. So I wanted to try this. It's Replenish AM PM, an ultra hydrating hand cream packed with ceramides, nutrient-rich oils, and a powerful peptide to replenish the hands with rich moisture. It also helps restore the appearance of more firm and even skin tone. Massage into clean hands morning and night for best results. So I want to see what this smells like. So let's go ahead and open it up. Just going to put some on the back of my hand with all the other products I put on it earlier. That has kind of a fresh smell. I kind of like this. It's not strong, but it has a fresh kind of smell. So that is that. Next in here, I have this here, which isn't labeled for anything. It says Cosmodex Bikini Bag. If I'm not mistaken, these are wet bags. This is a lot bigger than I thought it would be, but if it's a bikini bag, that makes sense, I guess. It says Guaga Greenable, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Let me see if I can unzip it. The zipper is sticking a little bit. I think just because it's been folded like that. So the zipper is a little bit sticky, but yeah, this is a wet bag. It says it was made in China, 100% sustainable polyester, exclusive of trims. It just says to wipe clean and lay fat to dry. But yeah, that is just a little wet bag. it seemed like it could be useful. Like I said, I thought it was a bit smaller, so I thought it would be like my purse size. This is a bit bigger. I would have to like really fold it for that, but that is that. I do like the design that I got. It's like a peachy one, so that's cool. Next up, this is something I saw and I was just like, this would be very useful because it will keep my microwave a lot cleaner. So this is Kitchen Innovations Keep Fresh Silicone Lid. It is 9 inches in diameter, or 23 centimeters, non-stick, heat-resistant silicone, airtight seal on all smoothing bowls, eco-friendly, sustainable alternative to disposable plastic wrap and foil. Can be safely used on the stovetop and in the microwave to prevent splatters. Used in the fridge to keep foods fresh, perfect for barbecues, picnics, and gatherings. Now, I did specifically buy this for the microwave because when I make things, they will splatter everywhere. So I just want something nice and like easy to store to cover them. But I am interested to see how this would work when I put it on dishes and stuff, to see how like airtight it is. So I will see. Hopefully this works well. Next thing in here that I have are Molly Suds Wool Dryer Balls, Natural Fabric Softener, always safe for people and the planet. Toss the wool balls in your dryer and prepare to be impressed. They will decrease your drying time by up to 35% and reduce wrinkles while helping you love your laundry again. You can wash your dryer balls if they get soiled by placing them in a mesh bag followed by a nice air dry in a sunny spot. And it says replace them after 3 years. So let's go ahead and untie this. So yeah, this is literally just balls of wool. If I'm not mistaken, I've heard that you can put essential oils on these so that you still have a nice scent to the laundry. But I am interested in trying these. I have some like ones from Dollar Tree, but they're just plastic. So I'm curious how these will do in comparison because I feel like they should be better. So that is that. Next up in here I have this. Now you guys might remember seeing this prior. So I put mine in the dishwasher and ruined it. And I wanted to see, because I don't remember if this was able to be put in the dishwasher. But it is the Asugu Large Hydration Jug. Let me see. And care instructions. Okay, yeah, so this is supposed to be hand wash only. I did not listen to that. I put it in the dishwasher. And what happens if you put it in the dishwasher is it will ruin the plastic. It made it shrink. Yeah, it just wasn't great. So this is another one for me that I will take proper care of. So that is that. They're not very sustainable if you don't take proper care of them, so I will make sure to do that. And then here is the last thing that I have in here this time. And this is Headbands of Hope. Your purchase creates moments like this. For every item sold, a headband is given to a child with an illness. So it just has a little picture of a little kid with one of the headbands on. So I don't wear stuff like this super often, but I like them. I just don't normally have any or know how to wear them. So let's try the blue one, I think. Like this is gonna like really mess up how my hair is right now. Okay, I'm gonna stand up for a second, or actually, here's my phone. How do we think it looks? I mean, it's kind of cute. I like that it looks like a head wrap, but it's a band, so you don't have to like actually know how to do that or worry about it like staying in your hair. So like I'm kind of down with this. Like I think I might start wearing these. I kind of like it. I'm kind of into it. And that is a cool cause for them. But yeah, that is all the stuff that I got in this. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you want to see more like this in the future. Like I said, I only have a couple. Actually, I only have one more of these because fall will be the last one. So I have one of these left that I will be getting, and then I will still keep getting FabFitFun as far as I know, and Ipsy. Let me know if there's any other box you guys are interested in seeing. Because I mean, I am interested in getting another one, just not this one for the future, maybe for at least the year. I just kind of want to watch the company and see how things are going with them after the year. But yeah, that is everything that I got. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye guys!